Welcome back to another video, and this time we're doing our own spin on Benihana's Eats and Travels way. So watch us as we turn this ordinary rice into something amazing.
So here's the food for me, you, and Bunny Man. I think we have like some chopsticks in here too. So it's yours, it's mine, and yeah. So that's all the food. There is the Benihana bag. See right there, all in red and black.
So today the mister picked up Benihana's. That's what we're having for lunch today. Dinner today. Benihana's, but you know what? I'm gonna do he got the rice as a foundation. I got the chicken fried rice, and I'm gonna add my own shrimp, crawfish, and chicken, because you know they don't give you a lot. So again, this is Benihana's Reloaded. Again, he picked up the rice as the basis, and he got the steak fried rice. You gotta have the yum yum sauce. So we got 3 yum yum sauce, and I'm gonna add more chicken, some shrimp, and crawfish to mine, and I'm gonna add more chicken and his steak to his rice. So stay tuned. Benihana's Reloaded. So here is the Benihana's rice, and again, I like the rice, but they don't give you enough. So this is the chicken. I'm gonna add my own chicken. So this is mine. Here's my shrimp and crawfish. The shrimp and crawfish I'm gonna add to it. Here is Damon's rice. I already warmed some of his rice up, and so I'm gonna add more chicken to his rice. This is Benihana's 2.0 Reloaded. So here is the chicken. I'm gonna dice the chicken up and add some chicken to it. So this is Benihana's at home. This is the chicken. I'm gonna dice it up. Some egg rolls. So here is my Benihana's Reloaded. So mine has chicken, crawfish, and shrimp, and it's very meaty. Very meaty, because you know they don't give you a lot of meat in your goodies at Benihana. So this is really good. Just fixing it up. All right, so here is Damon's rice from Benihana's. I just added some chicken to it, but he had the steak fried rice, and I just added chicken. And I'll piece his with an egg roll. Yum, yum, yum. Again, thumbs up. This is our spin on Benihana's. Adding extra chicken, shrimp. Yes, it was delicious. Again, don't forget to like, share. This is an egg roll. Don't forget to like, share, comment to the next video. Let us know, what do you want us to try next. Again, double thumbs up. I put my own spin on the Benihana's fried rice. They don't give you enough, so I really like it, and definitely with the yum yum sauce. Delicious. Peace, love, and blessings.